Hennessy, fine to fold. In a room full of niggas trying to hide your hoes. I'm getting high off Buddha cause the times be slow. I keep my mind on though, you never find me broke. And boo me, and nigga living life like a G. In that artillery, keeping niggas off of me, I can't sleep, living.
Hey guys, it's Jennifer. So it's been a while, I know, but I've been so busy with work and uni. But let's not talk about that today. This week's video is going to be a first impressions. Unfortunately, it's not a full face of first impressions because I can't afford to buy a full face worth of new makeup. But I do have a few new items that I would like to try out and tell you guys how I feel about them. The items I will be testing out is the Superstay Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation, the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in Celebrity Skin, and also the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Look at it! So if you guys want to know what I thought about these products and how they went on my face, this is the look that I created with those products on my face. But if you guys want to see how I use the product and what I thought of it and my first impressions, then keep on watching this video. And if you like this look, definitely get a thumbs up and comment down below what video you want to see next, all that kind of jazz. And let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Love you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. I'm going to start off by priming my face with the Benefit Professional Matte Rescue Primer. Now that I have my brows on, I just followed my normal brow routine. If you want to know what that is, just watch some of my other tutorials where I explain it more in depth what I use. And now I'm going to get started on my eyes. I'm going to be testing the amazing Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I've been dying to get my hands on this for ages, ever since it came out, but I never just thought to get it because I knew how much it would cost. But luckily, my lovely boyfriend, shout out to you Johnny, he got me this for Valentine's Day. I've heard a lot of good things about this palette and I love the colour scheme and all of the colours that are in it. I'll quickly show you guys what the palette looks like. This palette looks beautiful. I'm so in love with it, but I'm legit so scared to touch it. Now I'm just going to prime my eyes with concealer, set it with powder, and then get started with an eye look with this palette. I have no idea what look I'm going for today, but I'm just going to go with the flow, hopefully do something that is good. So obviously the first impression of this palette is that the colours are beautiful. I've never actually owned a Morphe palette in my life, so I'm very excited to see how the formula is like. I love all the orange transition shades. It's a beautiful mix of matte and glitter shadows. I'm very excited to see how the glitter shadows turn out. First off, I'm going to start with this shade right here, which is kind of like a soft brown. So I'm going to dab in there, tap that off, and go into my eyes. I'm going to be blending this into the crease ever so slightly. Okay, so I don't know whether it's the colour that I chose as the transition shade, but it's not as vibrant as I thought it would be. Maybe it's the shade, but it looks different to how it looks on my eye. It's very subtle. So maybe I just have to build it up. I'm just going to get a bit more. I think I might go in with this one, which is more like orangey warm, and put that in the crease as well and see if it will add a bit more orange into my crease. Okay, we're getting somewhere with the transition shade. It's a very nice smoky brown. I'm going to go in with, this is a dark deep chocolate brown. It's kind of red as well, red undertone, but you know, I'm going to go in with a dab of that. That's the payoff on the brush. It's not bad. Tap it off. There is fallout. I'm really scared. Okay, I'm going to go into the outer corner of my eye now. These shades aren't as vibrant as I thought it would be. Maybe it's the way I set my lid or something, but I was expecting it to be way more pigmented. I'm going to blend it ever so slightly into my crease. Just going to go with the two transition shades I used. Quickly blend it out. So the shades are actually blending out very well. I might dab in with a bit of black just to try out how the black is. I usually never ever touch blacks, but today I'm just going to go for gold. Oh, that's pigmented. I'm going to start my waterline and work my way up. So I'm going to build the intensity from my waterline. Alrighty, that's how it looks so far. I am just going to go in with a flat paddle brush. I'm going to take this colour. I'm going to take it dry first and see how it goes. Wow. That's how the glitter looks dry. I really like the shade, but I'm gonna try it with wet. I think, yeah, it adds a bit more to it if you wet it, definitely. That's the end of my look. I don't really want to add any more shades, and I think the glitters are pretty good in my opinion, but I really do like this palette. It's such an amazing palette and you can use so many colors to create such different looks, so I think it's a very good investment. I'm going to move on to my face now, and I'm going to be testing out a new foundation. I was a bit hesitant to create a first impressions with this foundation because I have heard a lot of good things about it, but I'm not sure if the shade that I picked up is the right one for me. So if it doesn't match my neck 100%, then just, I'm sorry, like forgive me this one time. It's the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation. I got the shade 46 Warm Honey. I heard a lot of good things about it. It lasts long, it's full coverage, and yeah. So I'm just gonna start off with one pump. Go in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go in sections, so I'm gonna start off with this side of my face. I feel like it's blending out really nicely. It's not making anything stand out more than it should. It feels pretty lightweight for a very full coverage foundation. I feel like it is very full coverage. Covered up my nose pretty well. It doesn't apply patchy or anything with the sponge. I think it's very good. It covered my pimple really well. Like, it's not making it stand out or anything. I'm really liking the formula of it. And what makes this even better is that it's a drugstore foundation. I'm pretty sure I got it for $24.95 at Priceline. They have a very wide range of shades as well. It actually makes my skin look flawless. It doesn't make my dry patches look extra dry. I really like the turnout. It makes my face look pretty flawless if you ask me. And it covers all of my scars pretty well without making it look cakey. It's a very full coverage foundation, but you know, I like that full coverage. Yeah, it looks pretty flawless and airbrushed, if I say so myself. I'm really liking this look right now. Like, I'm actually obsessed. Look how satisfying that looks. So my face is actually looking really good right now with all of the stuff on. Now it's time to highlight, which is the final step. Highlight is done and now I'm up to my lips. I've been wanting to get this shade for so long. I've seen it on so many different people and it looks so good on them. This is the shade Celebrity Skin. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lip. Hopefully the shade matches me. That's the lip colour. I really like it. So now I'm just going to set my face with multiple setting sprays, as you guys all know. Let's see how these sprays make my face look and the foundation look after I use it. Overall, these products worked amazing on my face. I love the finish of the foundation. It isn't heavy, it's full coverage. It looks so good and it works perfectly with all the other products that I'm using on top. It doesn't seem to be sliding. Not sure about longevity because I won't be able to test out how long I can wear it today, but I have heard that it lasts a really long time. It claims to last 24 hours, so who knows about that? I would never try a product for 24 hours, but you know. It makes my face look so smooth. It doesn't make any parts of my face stand out. Like my pores aren't standing out, my dry patches aren't standing out, everything looks so good. I'm not sure about flashback. I will take a photo and test it out and show you right now. Insert the photo right here, flashback or not, not sure. But there's the photo with flash for you to see. And the eyeshadows, they blend out really well. I was hoping they would be a bit more pigmented, but overall I really like it. The black was very intense. It was a perfect black. It has so many transition shades. I think it's such a versatile palette and it's worth buying because it's so many shades and you can do so much with it. It takes a bit to build it up to get the intensity that you want. This lip, I really love the color. It's like the perfect pinky nude. It doesn't feel too dry. Right now it's a bit sticky, but I'm not sure if it's just drying, but I don't mind it. It transfers a little bit, but I'm not sure if it's just still drying, but it doesn't transfer a lot, it's just a little bit. So, you know, I'm really loving this whole look. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this first impressions video, and if you guys want me to do more first impression videos with new products, maybe in-depth reviews, then please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you like this look. I really think that I should recreate it on a night out so I can actually wear it out. But you know, if you like this look, don't forget to thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of this video. or chuck some video suggestions down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I'm not going anywhere, and I was meant to be doing my uni work, and I sat down and just randomly started filming this video. So I'm gonna walk outside, see my whole family with a full face of makeup on when I've been in my room all day, and I'll be like, what the fuck? Don't I look amazing?
Yeah.
But I'm not going anywhere after this! I'm feeling myself. My sister finna walking in 3, 2, 1. I was waiting for her to walk in by primer.
Ice tray on nigga flooded. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. If a nigga hatin', call him Joe Budden. Pussy.